Leadership styles. Leadership styles refers to the approach and methods that a leader uses to motivate, guide, and manage their team. Different situations, team dynamics, and individual personalities require different leadership styles. Understanding these styles is crucial for anyone in a leadership position as it allows more effective management and the ability to adapt to various challenges. Problem management is a leadership role in terms of bringing together multiple teams, people, and experiences to focus on a common objective. So, leadership styles are really important to understand. Leadership styles are the behaviors and attitudes that leaders use to interact with their teams, how to make decisions, and to achieve goals. Each leadership style is categorized by different methods of communication, decision making, motivational strategies. Leaders may naturally gravitate towards a particular style, but effective leadership often requires the ability to adapt one style to meet the demands of different situations. The importance of understanding leadership styles. Improve team performance. By applying the most appropriate leadership style, leaders can enhance team productivity and morale. Better decision making. Understanding different styles helps leaders choose the best approach for making decisions in various contexts. Enhanced flexibility. Leaders who understand and can adapt their style are better equipped to handle diverse challenges and team dynamics. Personal growth. Self-awareness of one's leadership style fosters continuous personal growth and professional development. Overview of some common leadership styles. Autocratic leadership. Characteristics. Centralized decision making, strict control, and little input from team members. Best used in situations requiring quick decisions or when team members are inexperienced. Democratic leadership. Characteristics. Involves team members in decision making. Values input and collaboration. This is best used when creativity and team engagement are important and when team members are experienced. Transformational leadership. Characteristics. Focuses on inspiring and motivating team members to achieve their full potential and embrace change. Best used in dynamic environments where innovation and change are essential. Transactional leadership. Characteristics. Based on a system of rewards and punishment to achieve performance goals. This is best used in structured environments where clear goals and performance expectations are set. Laissez-faire leadership. Characteristics. A very hands-off approach, allowing team members to take the lead with minimal interference. This is best used with highly skilled and self-motivated teams that require little supervision. Servant leadership. Characteristics. Focuses on serving the needs of the team, prioritizing the development and well-being of team members. Best used when fostering a strong team culture and high employee satisfaction. Situational leadership. Characteristics. Adapts leadership style based on the situation, team dynamics, and the task at hand. This is best used in any context as it involves adjusting the approach to fit the specific circumstances. Detailed analysis of leadership styles. Autocratic leadership. The leader makes the decisions unilaterally, often without input from others. The focus is control with clear directives and expectations. The advantages of this are quick decision making, clear direction, and strong control. The disadvantages are that it can lead to low morale, a lack of creativity within the team, and a high turnover if overused. The best situations to use this in are crises, unskilled or inexperienced teams, and where clear direction is necessary, such as emergencies. Democratic leadership. Decisions are made collaboratively with input from the team. The leader encourages participation and values diverse opinions. The advantages of this are a high team morale, increased creativity, and greater team commitment to decisions. The disadvantages of this are decision making can naturally be slower, there's a higher potential for conflict, and they may be less effective in urgent situations. It's best used when team buy-in is essential, particularly in creative industries and where developing future leaders. Transformational leadership. The leader inspires and motivates the team through a shared vision, encouraging personal and professional growth. The advantages are high levels of innovation, strong team motivation, and deep engagement. The disadvantages are that this can lead to burnout if expectations are too high. It may overlook the practical details. It's best used when organisations are undergoing change, innovation projects, and teams need motivation. Transactional leadership. This focuses on clear structures, rewards, and penalties to manage performance. It emphasises tasks and outcomes. The advantages are clear expectations, strong focus on objectives, and consistent results. The disadvantages are that it can stifle creativity, leading to a short-term focus and decrease intrinsic motivation. The best situations to use this style are environments with clear goals, repetitive tasks, and performance-driven cultures. Laissez-faire. The leader provides minimal direction and allows the team to make decisions. The focus is on autonomy and freedom. The advantages of this are as it encourages innovation, it allows for personal growth, and is effective with self-motivated teams. The disadvantages are it can lead to a lack of direction, accountability issues, and decreased productivity if the team lacks discipline. The best situation to use this is when you have highly skilled teams, creative projects, and environments where autonomy is valued over all. Servant leadership. The leader prioritizes the needs and development of the team, fostering a supportive and people-centered environment. The advantages are high employee satisfaction, a strong team culture, and ethical leadership. The disadvantages, it can be seen as too soft, may struggle with assertiveness in decision making. The best situations to use this are in not-for-profits, team focus on social responsibility, and environments prioritizing employee well-being. Situational leadership. The leader adjusts their style based on the task, team members' skills, and the specific situation. It requires flexibility and adaptability. The advantages are highly adaptable, responsive to team needs, and effective across various situations. The disadvantages are that it requires a deep understanding of leadership styles. It can be challenging to implement consistently. The best situation for this is any situation requiring tailored leadership approaches. Identify your leadership style. You can do this with self-assessment tools. There are personality assessments, tools like Myers-Briggs or the DISC profile which we use. These can help you to understand your natural tendencies and how they align with the different leadership styles. There's also a number of leadership quizzes online to identify your dominant style. Reflect on past experiences. Analyze past leadership situations. Reflect on past experiences where you led a team. Consider what leadership style you naturally gravitated towards and how effective it was. Identify patterns. Look for patterns in how you respond to situations, such as crisis management, team building, or decision making. Seeking feedback. Ask for input. Seeking feedback from your peers, team members, and mentors about your leadership style. This can provide insights into how you're perceived and where you might improve. 360-degree feedback. Using a formal 360-degree feedback process to get comprehensive insights from various perspectives. Adapting leadership styles to situations. Understanding the context. Assess the situation. Evaluate the situation to determine what leadership style is most appropriate. Consider facts such as the urgency of the situation, the skill of your team, and the complexity of the task. Consider team dynamic. Understand the strengths, weaknesses, and personality of your team members. Different teams may respond better to different leadership styles. Matching style to team needs. Tailor your approach. Adjust your leadership style to match the needs of the team and the demands of the situation. For example, a more directive approach may be needed in a crisis, whilst a more collaborative style may work better for long-term planning. Be flexible. Recognize that no single leadership style is best in every situation. Be willing to switch between styles as the context changes. Flexibility in leadership. Stay open to change. Continually assess whether your current leadership style is effective. Be open to changing your approach if it's not working. Learn and adapt. Use feedback and experiences to refine your leadership style. Effective leaders are constantly evolving. Developing leadership skills. Enhancing emotional intelligence. Self-awareness. Understanding your emotions and how they affect your leadership style. Empathy. Develop the ability to understand and share the feelings of your team members, which helps in building stronger relationships. Improving communication skills. Active listening. Focus on truly understanding what others are saying and respond thoughtfully. Clear communication. Ensure that your messages are clear, concise, and understood by your team. Building decision-making capabilities. Critical thinking. Use logical reasoning and data analysis to make informed decisions. Decisiveness. Be confident in your decisions even when they involve risk. Just understand the risk and try and mitigate it. Fostering collaboration and teamwork. Encouraging participation. Involve team members in the decision-making to promote ownership and collaboration. Build trust. Create an environment where team members feel comfortable sharing ideas and taking risks. Best practices for effective leadership. Know your team. Understand the strengths, weaknesses, and motivations of your team members. Be consistent. While adaptability is important, maintaining consistency in your core values and expectations helps to build trust. Lead by example. Model the behaviours and attitudes you expect from your team. Seek continuous improvement. Always look for ways to improve your leadership skills, whether through training, feedback, or self-reflection. Common challenges and how to avoid them. Overusing a single style. Relying too heavily on one leadership style can be limiting. Be flexible and adapt your style to the situation. Ignoring feedback. Failure to listen to feedback can lead to blind spots in your leadership approach. Regularly seek and act on feedback. Micromanagement. Avoid over-controlling your team. Trust in their abilities and give them the autonomy to succeed.